Okay, see this part? It has been pruned manually. We don't have a power machine, a power weeding machine or power pruning machine here, but these ornamental plants have been pruned using only a cutlass, and then we are going to proceed in the job using a cutlass and scissors to do the pruning of the ornamental plants that have become bushy here. So we want to trim the bush to make it to become beautiful. Okay, so follow along. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, my home hacks. This is the channel where I show you interesting videos, hacks at home, maintenance, how to fix devices, appliances at home. Today I'm going to show you another interesting video on how to prune your ornamental flower at home, how to form cuboid or rectangular shape for this ornamental flower that you see here. So we're going to start from this end, from this side of this flower to this side of the plant. We're going to form a table-like structure, a cuboid structure from the ornamental plants. So don't skip any part of the video in order to get all the techniques I'm going to use to achieve this. If you are my subscriber, thanks for coming back to see my video again. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. So follow along. We don't have a power pruning machine available. We're going to use only these two tools, the cutlass and the scissors, to achieve the result. We're going to make use of what we have to achieve the same result that we could have otherwise achieved using a power pruning machine. So let's start. So our aim is to make the top flat like this, to make the side here to be very straight, here also to be straight, likewise this side very straight. Okay. Going to do is to make the table here to be lower, table here to be high. That is the hack that we are going to create. Alright? So this other table will be this height. Okay? So we use the scissors to trim the little parts. So, see what we have achieved. The structure is there. Soon, the conical shape will come out very well.